does it take to build successfully? Good cement, good foundations, good sand, good metal, good nails, good roofing.
You know, when it comes to making a house, especially, or your home, you don't often make it more than once. Okay, it's an expensive affair. So when you know that you're going to get into that kind of a situation only once, probably in your lifetime, you need to have that comfort that you're doing it right. That is the comfort that we give in our products, the quality, to last for generations.
There is only one company that we know builds for generations, for posterity, and carefully crafted with you in mind.
So build for generation was not something that was nice to sound. It is something that they have done for generations themselves, and they are now expressing it in their products.
Let's take you back to 1958, a good 64 years ago, when the company hit the market as Venus Metal and later on established Kavee Quarries in Mazeras, which became a regional leader in supplying stones and other building materials.
The group started its business since 1958 as a hardware shop, which supplies to all segment of construction related material. Then gradually we started to involve ourselves with manufacturing.
The first venture was Kavee Quarries, manufacturing cocotos, that is ballast. Gradually, in 1972, the corrugated is born, and since then the progress is with leaps and bounds.
With the brand well established at the turn of the millennium, it was time for a new innovation in the form of Mombasa cement, which came into the scene in 2007 and as of 2022 has a considerable amount of the cement market share in Kenya.
Mombasa Cement is a part of Nyumba Group of Companies. After starting of this unit, Nyumba Group has entered into the cement industries in Kenya.
The plans is for growing. As we are in Mombasa Cement, we are putting up a third mill, so to capture more market in this country and for export also.
Companies, we have got mainly 4 in the group of Nyumba Group. One is Corrugated Sheet, another is Mombasa Cement, Standard Rolling Mill, and Kavee Quarries.
Geared towards offering a 360-degree solution to all your building needs, the company continues to strive to manufacture world-class products and ensure that they walk with you in every step of your construction journey.
We are producing from top to bottom, like cocoto, up to the cement, up to the roofing sheets.
We use cutting-edge techniques for production of our products to ensure that we remain at the top of the notch, to make sure that our products are top-notch quality products that satisfy the requirements of the market.
We always improve on the product as to the needs of our customers.
We always tell our customers 3 things which is directly affecting the success of our growth. One is very competitive price, second is quality, and the third is service. So these 3 things has been very, very important for penetrating into the market and giving service to the customers.
A big element of the construction and mining industry is environmental conservation. Nyumba Group has immersed itself in this process wholeheartedly, with several initiatives including tapping into the field of renewable energy with their state-of-the-art solar power plant.
The Nyumba Group of Companies is trying to be as environmentally friendly as possible.
We do a lot in terms of thermal energy consumption, and energy consumption, responsible energy consumption. So according to the history, every year we win about 2 or 3 awards from the Energy Management Awards.
We have a big solar farm at our Standard Rolling Mills, which is part of the Nyumba Group.
In this solar plant, we have 3,125 panels. This attributes to 10% of the total energy consumption of the entire plant.
Another key element in this is waste management, which is seen through their treatment plants and the use of a dust-free cement manufacturing plant in Vipingo, which prevents air pollution.
The main goal for the STP and ETP plant is to treat all effluent and sewage from the factory. Averagely, our plant has a capacity to treat 20,000 liters of effluent from the factory every day.
In addition, some of the formerly excavated areas have now been reclaimed and turned into thriving forests that have already started attracting various flora and fauna.
In Vipingo, you can see that we have reclaimed whatever land we had gone through in terms of acquiring the limestone. You can see that we've already reclaimed it, we've fertilized it, we've put plants and vegetation that flora and fauna is currently founding.
From the last 10 years, we planted more than 1.5 million trees inside the mine and also colony and the factory. It's a totally green environment.
And it is our intention to use some of these areas in the future as well to do what we refer to as floating solar.
Nyumba Group's impact on the people of Kenya has been huge, both socially and economically. The group has over 5,000 Kenyans under its employment and enjoys a diverse employee profile from all backgrounds and genders.
We believe that human resource is an asset and we take care of them. Our turnover is hardly 3 to 4%. And that is the success that people who are working with us stay long.
Nimefanya hii kampuni Corrugated Sheets miaka 44, ambapo hiyo ni miaka ambayo nafurahikia sana. Kwanza nilianza nikiwa ni kijana, tuseme, naweza kusema kijana, miaka 22, ambapo mwaka huu ni wa 68. Nina kampuni hii Corrugated Sheets.
It has given me a chance to grow my career, and actually I love working here because the environment here is great, and also my managers are also great. They always give me opportunity to learn more and more, and I always grow each day and day.
Their work in the local community has also seen them receive plaudits, particularly with the less fortunate and the young people, assisting them with feeding programs and water programs that particularly help keep some of their younger ones off the streets.
We are doing a lot to the local people. We are together with them. We are very friendly.
We believe that what you gain should be also shared with the community around you.
To start with, we have a school for the physically disabled, which has about 1,000 disabled kids. It's the biggest school south of the Sahara for the disabled people. And it's the only school, again south of the Sahara, which has normal kids and disabled kids learning under the same roof. Then we have the Kibarani Miracle Park. As we all know, Kibarani was a dump site. It has been upgraded. It's now become a very beautiful park where kids can go there. We also have a feeding program at Kibarani, the Miracle Park, where we feed between 35 to 40,000 people in a day. There's food all the time. So we have done a lot of beautification around Mombasa. We put the animals, and we've rehabilitated a lot of the roundabouts. For example, the Makupa roundabout near the police station, the one at Mabati near the market. There was a problem with the tusks and we repainted the tusks, we refurbished them, repainted them, and we brought them back to life.
The journey has had its many ups and downs, but it is clear that Nyumba Group has really built itself in true Nyumba fashion. From the foundation drawn from our quarries to our walls built by Mombasa Cement and our steel and Mabati from Corrugated Sheets Limited, we'll help you build your dream house because we know what it means to go through the journey. We know what it takes to build for generations.
This year, that is current year, is a very important year in our history of the group. In two ways, that we are celebrating two events. One, 50 years, and the second, rebranding of our brand. I feel that with new branding, we want to make all our stakeholders to know that rebranding is to identify that we are serious and we are sincere to serve you better.
50-year completion, the first thing is a big thanks to all our customers and our marketing network with their close association and market possibility exploration. Customers are the basis for any business to grow, and that is our focus point.
Since we started Mombasa Cement, we have not received a single complaint about the quality. Our roofing sheet also we give guarantee that for 10 years there will be no peeling, no rusting, and that is how we penetrate into the market. So quality is the most important thing. And then the service. Service of delivery is very important. If you order today and tomorrow you will have the material with you.
When our buyers buy our product and they want any technical assistance, we have our technical support department. So they will go at their site, they will provide them technical guidance. We will do the testing of his material in our lab and providing the results for his process, how best they can do for their process.
Nyumba Group of Companies have a distribution network from Lunga Lunga to Lamu, from Embu to Eldoret, from Mombasa to Kisumu, and we are expanding all the time. We have invested a lot in logistics to see that our products are delivered on time and people get the right product in good quality.
Here in Kericho, customers do like corrugated sheets Mabati because their durability, the iron sheets that they offer us are good, affordable, and they liked it.
From 2007-8, we are dealing still with Nyumba Corrugated Sheets in Kapsabet. They always help us to grow with the company. They tell us to how can we sell the market, and they support us to grow our business. They give us advice how to we are growing with the Nyumba product.
Products for corrugated in market is very good. Has a standardization and everything. Those people is not compromise anything in this product, and people also is like the product for Nyumba brand.
And the management are very particular about the quality control, sourcing of the raw material, and to ensure that the product is up to the standard. In short terms, no corners are cut.
Since I have started selling these corrugated products, my business has always grown up and they have supported a lot to us.
So Nyumba Group of Companies has been providing us with quality goods at a good, with a good service and at a good value. So that has enabled us to be known in the market for providing quality products at a good value.
This area since 2004 is only Nyumba Mabati. Many people they try to bring different brands, it doesn't work. Only Nyumba Mabati.
Once they use the product, they will come to know that there's nothing else suitable for their business, there's nothing else suitable for their investment than Nyumba products.
We want customers or the consumers to know that our product will last for generations.
We want to be here for the next 50 years. So Jenga na nyumba.
Build with Nyumba.
Build for generations.
Jenga na nyumba.
Build with Nyumba.
Build for generation.
Jenga na nyumba.
Build with Nyumba.
Build for generations.
Jenga na nyumba.
Build with Nyumba.
Everything Nyumba.